Thanks for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam. We've got a mix of sunshine and clouds, and at times a few ice crystals getting squeezed out of the sky. It's breezy and it's cold out there, right around 1 degree here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. Minus 17 is what it feels like. Those winds out of the northwest at 14 miles per hour. They'll continue out of the west and northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour today with an occasional stronger gust, that creating some cold wind chills out there. Air temperatures in and of themselves are cold. -2 over in Jamestown, 6 below in Devil's Lake, -4 up in Thief River Falls, Roseau, Baudette, and in Bemidji. You factor in those winds and wind chills as cold as 29 below up in Devil's Lake, -21 in Jamestown, also 21 below in the Grand Forks area, -26 in Bemidji. On the radar, not showing any precipitation. Some very light ice crystals still falling out of the sky from time to time. The air is very dense and it's squeezing some of that moisture out of the sky. We could see a few more clouds as we head through this afternoon and this evening, and maybe a few isolated flurries as well. Not going to amount to very much at all. Across the northern plains, quiet. A different story yesterday, certainly yesterday morning with the blizzard conditions across portions of the northern plains, but much quieter today. A different story today in the southern plains, and we've got winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings stretching all the way from the southern plains, including much of Texas and Oklahoma, all the way to the eastern seaboard, including much of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, West Virginia. As colder air filters on in, a lot of this rain switching over to freezing rain, sleet, and then eventually snow. Some tough go of it down in the southern plains and parts of the southeast as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours. For us, we've got some cold but quiet weather as we head through the day today. Getting into the single digits in some areas, and Devil's Lake Basin, you may stay below zero as we head through the day today. Overnight tonight, again, a cold night. Colder than last night, but not quite as breezy as last night. But we're going to still see some very cold wind chills getting down to as close as 25 to 35 degrees below zero. So by tomorrow morning, a very cold start to the day, but we're going to start to see the warm up. Temperatures will warm up into the teens and 20s. It's not going to feel that warm, though, with some southerly breezes anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour with some stronger gusts. So warmer temperatures, but going to feel a little colder with those winds around, cooling down into the teens and 20s by tomorrow evening. Now, today, yep, cold. Tonight, very cold. And again, dangerous wind chills possible by tomorrow morning. We start the warm up around 20 on Thursday, but check out these temperatures as we head through the weekend. Some mid-30s Friday, Saturday, some upper 30s with maybe a flurry or two. Some early flurries possible on a Sunday, and near 40 on Monday and Tuesday. Could be even warmer than that by Wednesday and Thursday. Another reminder, set those clocks forward before you head to bed Saturday night.
Losing an hour of sleep, but it's going to be a little easier this weekend.
You get the warmer weather.
Yeah, and maybe bye-bye snow.
I think by this time next week, most of that snow here in Fargo anyway will be gone.
That's good to know.
Exactly.
Something to look forward to.
Yeah.
Straight ahead at